Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at a digital voice recorder, and yeah, I'm kind of excited to see what this is all about. So let's rip that apart and check that out. So it is hidden in this box. So let's try to get that open. For some reason, it's not gonna as easy. Okay, there we go. And this is the packaging. Throw all this crap to the side. Then here are some goodies you can use and whatever. There's some headphones and all. I don't know why I would need that. And then we have the recorder here. Let's pull that out and have a look. Just so you know, I mute the sound. You can actually listen to it because there's speakers on top here. But I don't know, I just get annoyed by all these sounds that come out of it when I record videos. So in general, I mute my videos. But you can just charge it up and then you are welcomed. It's loading up, it's booting up. It's USB-C, which is nice. There's a record button, a hold button, volume buttons, and as you see, it's recording already as soon as you turn it on. And then when you're done, you just hit the stop recording like this, and then you can keep going. And then if you pull that up, it's saving that whole file. As you see, it's now saved on here, and you can listen to it if you wanted to. As you see, it's showing us the indicator, and there's volume playing, and then you can also pause it, you can throw it over on your computer and all that. So yeah, it is a pretty decent, easy to use. You can delete the file as well, and yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, and I will see you around the next time. So Badger, and I'm out.